For the past 4 weeks, many of these electoral officials have been sitting idle. Fewer people than expected had come to register ahead of the August vote until now.
What we are seeing now is a queue that has refused to shorten.
As the month-long period draws to an end, officials say there's been a sharp increase in the number of people wanting to register to make their mark.
Honestly, it's been a bit slow, a bit calm and quiet. However, over the last 2 days, there's been a massive flow of people coming to register and many others also seeking to transfer their polling stations to new polling centers.
For some, the exercise is more than just civic duty. It's a way to make sure their voices are heard.
It's very important, being a Kenyan citizen, to be able to have a say in government. The only way we can do that is to vote. And so we can therefore, if anything goes wrong, then we're to blame, not them.
The fact that many Kenyans have waited up until the last minute to register as voters comes as no surprise to many. We have a phrase for it here. It's known as the last minute phenomenon.
It's my civic duty to vote. And since time was literally running out, I had to be a typical Kenyan and do the last minute registration.
However, I do not understand what is this tradition with Kenyans last minute rush. I don't know whether it's entrenched in our system, whether our forefathers also practiced it, but it's in us.
In recent weeks, President Uhuru Kenyatta and opposition leader Raila Odinga have visited various parts of the country urging Kenyans to register. Meanwhile, the Electoral Commission had rejected an appeal by political parties to extend the registration deadline, saying it doesn't have the budget. But late Tuesday, the High Court overruled that decision, extending registration to the 16th of February until the appeal can be heard in court. Nagila, CGTN, Nairobi, Kenya.